It was a wet and gloomy day as rain continues to move across east central Illinois. This has been the scene for majority of the day, but now it's starting to recede. As it continues to move out, we'll see this continue into about midnight tonight, but the rain's heaviest up to the north and then as well as central, and then we take an even step down once again as we head to the south. So heaviest rain totals are up to the north, even as we start to look at it right now, getting a break down south here in Charleston. Well, we got some showers, but up in Champaign where it's 38 degrees. We're still getting some of that rain up there as well as in Vermilion, out in Decatur as well. But Christian County says it all. Mostly cloudy skies as the clouds and the rain starts to move out. It's going to be pushed out as a cold front continues to make its way through. Look at this break of this rain. But unfortunately, the clouds are still there, but it's not going to last much longer. That cold front finally pushes through, dropping temperatures just a bit. We're not talking about single digits, and we're not talking about the teens. We're talking about 20s and 30s, at least for the next couple days. Cloudy skies behind this, but then it starts to break down. And here's the first good news I think I've had for you in a couple weeks on a Monday. Sunny skies for your Tuesday, continuing into Wednesday. But Clark County is our hometown highlight this evening, where it's going to be 41 degrees up in Clarksville, 42 in Albright, and then down in West Union, 43 degrees. The winds coming out of the northwest, 10 to 15. That's also going to help those temperatures drop. But as you look here, the average for Clark County is about the 42 degree mark, so we're right at that for tomorrow. I think it's going to be a bit cooler here in Coles County, but as we start to look at that average, you see here it's 42 degrees across, for generalizing, across the viewing area, 40 degrees for your daytime high tomorrow. So we're just below that, and then it's going to continue to decrease on to Thursday. And Friday, yes, we are talking 19 degrees, but that's an extreme. I think it's actually going to warm up as we continue because the high pressure is moving across, which is going to allow our daytime temperatures to creep up just a bit, creating warmer conditions. So I think this 19 degrees come another day or two is actually going to increase to about 20, but this is what the models are showing right now. And then 45 degrees on Saturday, so above that average, and we're talking the 40s again for your weekend. But how does that shape up condition-wise? Well, we have a high pressure that's going to continue to move across the Midwest. This is going to create the clear conditions because with the high pressure, well, we typically get to see some more fair weather conditions such as sunshine, maybe a few clouds, but otherwise the high pressure moves right across. And look off to the west. Out in Des Moines, you're going to see some snow showers. But here's what's going to happen back home. With the high pressure, we're going to see a clockwise rotation with those winds, which means a warmer air mass is going to move through. So watch the snow as it moves into the Illinois. Well, it doesn't. That's because those winds continue to break this down. And behind this high pressure coming into Thursday morning into Friday, we're going to see another one situate itself across the Midwest. So we're talking multiple days here of sunshine. And I'm excited for this because we talked snow, we've talked teens, single digits, and now we're talking about sunshine and 40 degrees. And it's the first set of good news I've had for you on a Monday. So again, I'm really excited for this. Tonight, down to 34 degrees. We're going to see that rain, and then as that pushes out, we could see some fog form because we're going to have a warmer air mass moving in. Winds coming out of the east, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Before your daily breakdown, we're going to top out during the day at 40 degrees, but that's not your daytime high because we're actually seeing that right now. Yes, temperatures right now are actually going for tomorrow, but I'm just really excited for the sunshine and 40-degree temperatures.
I'm just so used to the bad news of these forecasts from you, Phil, but finally there's some positives.
Yeah, and you know what? I feel like it's whenever I anchor with you because there was a day you missed and I had good news. So maybe it's not my forecast, maybe it's just you being here.